Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello, welcome back to this class. So in this class, we're going to be looking at creating complex shapes for icon. So we're going to be using the easier method to get access to different kinds of icon. We have over 200,000 available open source icons that you can access. So you're going to head over to my Figma. I'll go to my browser. Alright, so this is my Figma environment. So as you can see over here, I'm just going to go over to my shapes. So you can see this. Let me highlight that for you. You can see this box. This is your different shapes here. This way we get our icon. All right. So this place that is highlighted now, that's where we are going to get our icon. All right. So if you are new to Figma, you can just go through my page. I have so many classes on introduction to Figma and UI/UX design. So you will just go through the tutorials, and then so that you can understand what we are doing here. Make sure you go to the class where you can understand what we are saying here. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this. So once you click, there's a shortcut you can use, which is Control K on your keyboard. You have your pop-up like this. So what you need to do is to come over. So we have assets. All right, we have plugins and widgets. So we want plugins. On this plugin, this is where we are going to get our icons, and we are looking at these. The reason why all these things are showing here is because I've already accessed them before. So on your own the dashboard, or if you're using your phone or you're using your laptop, you are not going to see anything like that here. Everything is going to be empty. So I've already accessed all these things you are seeing here. That's why they are appearing here. So the one we are going to the one we need now is this icon. This one that we have, this insert icon hub of 200,000 plus free open source icon. All right, this is what we are looking for. So I'm just going to go over and click on pages, plugins and widgets. All right, so as you can see, we have different kinds of plugins. So we have UI, UX, UI plugins, true text, PDF. So what we just really need here is this. What we're interested in here is this icon hub. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon hub. So it's going to take time to open. So just wait for it to load. All right, done loading. So as you can see, we have different kind of icon. So I'm just going to take you back. All right, so here you can search for icon. So let me zoom this way. You can see now we have material symbol. That is about 15,197 icons. As you can see, we have material symbol light. This 15,270 icon. So we don't really need to create any icon from scratch, though we can also create your own personal icon on Figma. Maybe in one of our class, I'm going to be showing you how to do that, but you really don't need to go through that stress of creating icon by yourself. Why? Because you have thousands and thousands of icons free that you can use, and so there's no icon you want to create that has not been created before. We have material line icons, so you just have to come here and check the one you want. All right, I'm going to scroll down so that you can see the numerous kind of icons that we have. So I'll be getting so many messages on how to create icon, so you don't really need to be stressing yourself creating icon. As you can see, there are different type. This UI S24, that is 56 icon sets. Over here they have 56 different kinds of icon sets. All right, so let's just go ahead and scroll down. Let me scroll to the last so that I will show you. You can see all these are icons, okay, from different sets, okay, different companies. Feather icon, right? I'm just going to go ahead and click on one. Let's see. So these are the kind of icons. So once you click on it, it will automatically show you different kinds of icons. So there is no icon you are looking for that you will not get here. This tabular icon, okay, let me go back. This box icon, all right, I'll go back. So there's a particular icon I'm looking for. Yeah, this go material icon. Let me see. So most of this icon you see here, you are going to be needing it. As you can see, there is let me zoom that in. So most of the icon you are going to be using, they are found on this Google icon. You can see this is your icon for your direction. So in case you need any of this icon, you are building your app, you know, majorly on building app, you will need all this icon for something like this, for maybe user profile. All right, user profile icon, something like this, or you can also pick this. Now mind you, you can customize it. It's customizable. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So you can customize it by changing the color depending on what you want. This is for creating a banking app, you understand. So most of the bank app have something like this. So most of those designers don't have to go ahead and create this thing from scratch. You already have thousands of designs, all right, waiting for you. So you don't this Android icon, all right. And this is for question. Okay, let me just go back. All right, so this icon now, if you want to make use of it, what you need to do is to just click on any one you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this Android icon. I'll click on it. Now you see display here. That's the Android icon. All right, so I'm going to head over to, there is this button under it. In case you are not seeing it, it said add to page. So I'm just going to come here and click on add to page. All right, once you click on it, it has already added. You can see there will be changes. So in order for you to see it, you have to come here and cancel it. You have to close this window before you can see the icon that is being added. So I want to add some few other icons. Let me add some few other icons before I show you. They are already on our dashboard. So I'm going to take this profile icon. I will add to page. All right, it has been added. So I'm just going to pick one or two icons. This material design icon. So there's a particular, this solar. Let's see what we have here. Solar. All right, so I'm very sure you have seen things like this before. Let me zoom down to it. Now it's something like this for direction. On some of the apps that you are using, you see something like this before that gives you direction, to show you where the direction of, you know, you can either use it to go back. So all these things are icons that you just place there. All right, you don't have to create all these things from scratch. So over here is where you get all your icon. I'm just going to go over here. I want to pick this one, so I'll come here and add to page. All right, so I'm going to come over here and cancel this window. So you can see this cancel button here. Once I cancel that, all right, so this is the logo. Now mind you, once you come here to click on this action, that is your Control K, it's going to show you this icon hub. It is when you click on this icon hub that those information will come out. Let me show you. Once I click on this icon hub, this blue background you are seeing now, right, I click on it, there's going to be a pop-up, right? In case you are doing that and it's showing you this image, you have to click on the image before it can show you the pop-up, right? So you can see it went back to where we were before. So I'm going to cancel this, and this blue image, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Right, that has been deleted. I don't need it. So these are the icons that we have created. Just one click and they are ready. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom. I'm going to increase it. Alright, here's something you must take note of. Right, I cannot just go ahead and drag this to be bold. I need to group it together because they're actually raw form design. So I will group that. So I will show you why. So now you can see. So I can move it up and down now because it's already grouped. Let me just come here, right click, go to group section, Ctrl G. Okay, that's been groups. So now I can now move it the way I want. Alright, so I can go ahead to my, you can see my right hand bar. I can come here and customize it the way I want it. To color, I can change the fill. It's currently black, so I'm just going to go ahead and do some customization. So I'll come here, give it green. Android usually have green color. You can see how you can edit this stuff. Alright, so I will come here also and drag this one. I will come, I will drag. Right click. I'm going to group together. I have options to come to my fill and pick a color for this one. So you can see. So in case you are looking forward to create anything like this, you don't need to be wasting your time looking for how to create it. You can just go there and make a specific search for a particular icon you are looking for. If it is direction icon you are looking for, you will see it. The Google font icon is over 2,000, so there are very many. So we got most of these things from Google font icon. As if you don't, you can go back and rewatch the video so that you understand. So most of the things we are looking for design are majorly on the Google icon, and they are free. Right, it's a free and open source. You can easily access it at any time. So this is how you create your icon. So icon don't have to be complex. They are complex as you can see, but creating it don't have to be complex because they're already automatically created for you. They are made for you. It's not something you have to waste your time creating. Alright, so I will see you in my next class.